Welcome to this screencast. We are looking at Modulo for GCSE Computer Science, and then this goes with quotient and it's part of integer division. When you was in primary school and you first learned to divide 13 by 5, you would do something like this. And you would find that you would have twice 5 into 10, and then remainder 3. The remainder is what we call modulo in computer science. Some programming language will use the percentage operator for modulo, and then in your pseudocode, you would just write mod. 2, the quotient, you would call it div in pseudocode, and some programming language will put a double slash sign to represent integer division. The importance of modulo, this remainder, we use this quite often in our code. But if we go back to, so if you divide 10 divided by 5, so 10 mod 5 would be 0. Because if you do this, you've got 2, and then for the modulo, remainder 0. 11 mod 5 is 1. You carry that all the way. 14 mod 5 will give you the biggest value you would get, because once you get to 15, you go back to 0, as 15, if you do the old integer division with how many times have you got 5 inside 15, you got it 3, remainder 0. So this would iterate remainder 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and as it's 5, once you reach it, the modulo starts again at 0. So this was integer division, and then what you need to remember for your GCSE is that modulo is what you learned in primary school when you did divisions like that, before knowing how to do divisions with decimal numbers. Thank you for listening to this screencast. I look forward to reading your answers.